Yo, dude, I don't think this is working.
It's not. Since we put up these posters, we haven't gotten one new follower for our band.
Not only that, man. You remember that ad we posted looking for new band members? Didn't go so well.
Whatever, man. We don't need people to join our band. Like, we've got the music down, we just need people to listen to it.
Maybe someday we'll find a platform that'll help us grow.
I hope that day comes soon, man. This merch is starting to pile up. Hey, where's the cable to mic up our gear? I want to start recording.
I think I saw it somewhere. Oh, it's right here. It's just me, or does it sound really weird?
Dude, what cable did you hand me? What the hell?
Okay, dude. Try playing again. Let's see what happens.
Alright, let's see. Oh my god, dude, this is crazy. Our music's coming out of the sky.
Dude, this can't be real. I have to be dreaming.
Dude, it's not a dream.
Oh my god, this is real.
I know, this is the chance we've been waiting for.
Dude, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Hello, world, or however many people can hear this. I am Clerical Clyde on guitar. We got Bookshelf Bob on the drums, and we are Digital Librarians.
I go to school, I work part-time, and I read books for fun. Educate yourself, educate yourself, educate yourself, take a bow. Educate yourself, educate yourself, educate yourself, right now. I make the time to consume media, and then I brag about it. I'm exceptional, I can read a book on top of my school and my work. Educate yourself, educate yourself, educate yourself to show off. Educate yourself, educate yourself, educate yourself, and don't stop. Educate yourself, educate yourself. I think we're starting an earthquake. Educate yourself, educate yourself, educate yourself for your sake. Educate yourself, educate yourself, educate yourself and make hay. Educate yourself, educate yourself, educate yourself every day.
Alright, let's try it again from the top. So, you want to play again?
Dude, we played that song like 30 times. We're not playing it again.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. What else do you think we can do with this new technology?
I think we can like order pizza with it or something?
Order pizza? Dude, you're thinking way too small scale. We can order anyone to do anything for us. Attention government. Please deposit $5,000 into Clerical Clyde's bank account. If you do not deposit this money right now, we will not stop playing our song. Whoa, dude. They actually did it.
Attention Spotify, iTunes, Google Play Music. We are real musicians, so please add our song to your music catalog.
Everyone listening to this must buy at least one piece of merchandise from our website. If you do not buy our merchandise, we will not stop playing our song.
Dude, are you crazy? The whole world could be listening to this. We can't expect everybody to buy something.
Well, if they don't, then they're just gonna have to listen to our music over and over again.
That's an abuse of power.
So at least we're the ones benefiting from it.
We're supposed to use our power for good.
Dude, it's good for us.
No, good for the whole world.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's where the AUX cable for my hypersonic sound system went.